Hello and welcome to the Roxburghe Motor Group. Today we're showcasing this Toyota CHR XL in black. It's a 2019 model. Very modern looking car this. As you can see, it's got alloy wheels, it's got parking sensors, it's 5-door. Just open the boot here. Very good sized boot space and folding rear seats for extra room. Take a look in the back here. You can see it's fairly spacious. Cup holders in the door arms there for the rear passengers. See, it's got leather trim. This vehicle's a manual. It's a petrol and you get over 35 miles to the gallon with this vehicle. You've got a multi-function steering wheel there. It's keyless and push start. Start the engine there, it's asking me to press the clutch. There we go. Sun's down.
All of whom agree with that. Now, whether they'd lose out or win the system, I mean, they would do okay under this new system. So
let's turn the radio down a little bit. As you can see, it's got DAB radio, all touchscreen. You've got all your climate controls there. Manual gearbox. Got heated seats this car. Sat nav. Digital display. You can see there it's done 43,696 miles. Very good condition. If you've got any questions about this vehicle or any of our other vehicles, you can visit our website or give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you soon.